forest arrow. Change it when she passes.
Understood.
Good, everyone is already looking.
My company is sponsoring this championship.
That bicycle belongs in a museum.
Done. She'll take the wrong path.
One last thing. One last corner. Pour it. Pour it.
Fresh scratches. Someone moved this sign today.
On purpose? Someone did this to me?
You cheated! Someone moved that sign for you.
Can you prove it? I didn't touch anything. Stay home next Sunday. You don't belong here.
I am so proud of you. So proud.
Nobody saw what they did. Nobody. Arthur, this is Maria. She needs your help.
I know. I watched her race. Sit down.
Can I ride my bicycle today, Dad?
After breakfast. Helmet on. No arguments.
Mom, there's a newspaper girl outside. She's very young.
Go and say good morning then.
Good morning. I'm Lily. What's your name?
I'm Maria. I deliver papers before school.
That girl delivers papers before school every single morning.
She's been doing it for months, Ben.
Mom says give you this. It's warm.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Are you okay? You look tired, Maria.
I'm fine. I just started early today.
That girl has a really strong heart, Amy.
She does. I hope someone helps her.
Her bicycle is so old. Mine is much better. Tom, look! A bicycle championship poster.
Cool. Can I eat your biscuit?
The championship registration is only open this week.
Everyone else has friends here. I just have work. Maria! Can I sit here?
I've been looking. Of course. There's plenty of space here.
Maria! A scholarship race!
You should enter this. Everyone has better bicycles.
Not me. Champions aren't made by bicycles, Maria.
They're made by courage.
Right? You're doing it. I knew you would.
I don't know if I can win.
Dad, my friend Maria entered the bicycle championship.
That's wonderful. Does she have a good bicycle?
She's racing on a rusty bicycle?
It's the only one she has, Mom.
I'll be her biggest fan. I'll cheer so loud.
You say that about everyone, Tom.
I entered a race, Mum. A scholarship race.
I knew you would do something brave.
Everyone has a better bicycle, but I have to try. Good. Everyone is already looking.
My company is sponsoring this championship.
This year, too. We're so grateful, Mr.
That bicycle belongs in a museum. They're all laughing. Don't let them see it hurts.
We'll see who wins. Won't we, Chloe?
I always win. Ask anyone here. You didn't have to do that for me.
Yes, I did. Now let's register you.
That man controls this whole competition, doesn't he?
It looks that way. Keep watching, Ben.
Qualification round first. Sunday.
Sunday. That gives us 1 week to prepare.
Maria! We're right here cheering! Tom, she can't hear you. Everyone can, though.
Already in front. Exactly as planned. Don't think about her. Just ride. Just breathe. Ride.
She's catching up! Tom, Maria is actually catching up!
I told everyone she would! How is she this fast on that bicycle?
Stay close to me. We go through together.
Together. Okay, let's go.
Wait until Lily and Chloe clear the junction. Then we turn it. Fast.
Left here! This way, Chloe!
Done. She'll take the wrong path.
Right arrow. I'll follow the arrow. Keep moving fast.
Maria should have come out by now. Where is she?
I went the wrong way.
You're going the wrong way! Race is that way! I know. Keep going. Maria, are you hurt? Can you move?
The arrow was wrong. Someone changed it. I lost the race. I lost it.
Not over. Let's go.
Done. Nobody will know anything happened here.
Fresh scratches. Someone moved this sign today.
On purpose? Someone did this to me? First. Again. Exactly as it should be.
We're here. That's what matters right now.
Not for the qualification.
You cheated! Someone moved that sign for you.
Can you prove it? I didn't touch anything. Stay home next Sunday. You don't belong here. I am so proud of you. So proud.
Nobody saw what they did. Nobody.
We brought some food. Can we come in?
We heard what happened. We're all so sorry.
Champions fall before they rise. Every single time.
One day I'm going to buy you a new bicycle. I made this for you. Open it after we leave.
Lily, you didn't have to. She wrote, "You already are a champion, Maria." Sunday. I'll be at that starting line on Sunday.
She's still entering. Then we prepare something better.
Arthur, this is Maria. She needs your help.
I know. I watched her race. Sit down. But your legs are strong.
Can I win on this bicycle? Really?
When your legs say stop, your mind says again.
Again. I keep falling on this corner. Every time.
In the forest, trust what you've practiced.
Not the signs. Heavy. Everything is heavy. But I've done heavier things.
You know that forest better than anyone now.
Better than she does.
She's completely different now, Tom.
Look at her. She went so fast. I missed it.
I reported it. Police will monitor that forest tomorrow.
Good. And the GPS tracking too?
Sleep. Your legs need rest tonight, Maria.
5 more minutes. I want it clean. You already are a champion. Tomorrow, I'll prove it.
Police are in position. GPS tracking confirmed active.
What if the bad guys try something anyway?
You know what to do. Same as last time.
I know, Dad.
You've done the work. Trust the work now.
I trust it.
Maria! This is your race! She definitely heard you. So did everyone else.
Front again. Stay in front. Stay there.
Not yet. Save the legs for the hill. Not yet.
Stay close to me. We go through together.
Together. Okay, let's go. Left, the correct arrow. This time it's real.
Do it now. She's 30 seconds away.
Stop there. You're all being recorded right now. Don't move. Hands away from the sign.
Them! Those are the ones who did it!
I know, Tom. The police have it.
Left, the correct arrow. This time it's real. The police are here. He sent too many. Too obvious. I never wanted to win like this. Never. No, no. Not now. Please, not now.
Maria, Chloe stopped. Her chain is broken.
I see her. Keep going, Lily. Don't think about her. Just ride. Stay home next Sunday. You don't belong here. Champions help people. That's what I was taught. I'm sorry. I'm really, truly sorry, Maria. For you, Mum. Every pedal stroke. For you.
She was alone on that bench. Not anymore.
No tricks, no plan, just the hill, just me.
One last thing. One last corner. Pour it. Pour it.
Chenkov.
Let go and stick your back.
Why are they stopping the race? What's happening?
Something's wrong at the final corner, Mum.
Get that man. I'll handle the corner.
That's a clean corner now. The rest is up to her.
Mum, Lily, Arthur, Ben, Tom. Now! I did it.
She won! She actually won!
Mum, she won! I told you! I told everyone!
We are now showing official police footage. Please watch.
I'm sorry. For all of it. I'm truly sorry. I know. I forgive you, Chloe.
A champion wins races. A true champion wins hearts.